In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment plan with Hubspot, a task that we can easily complete in just under 5 minutes. To get started, we're going to visit the Hubspot website. This will be our first stop on this simple setup journey. Head over to Hubspot's homepage by entering their URL into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once the page loads, look to your top right hand corner and you'll see a familiar button labelled Login. Go ahead and click it. This link will take you to the portal where you can enter your credentials. If this is your first time logging in or you encounter a bit of confusion with your login information, make sure you've got the correct email and password on hand to avoid any hurdles. Now, after entering your login information, you should find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're a first time user. It's always a good idea to gently scroll through and take in the layout before diving deeper. When you're ready, direct your attention to the main navigation area. Look for a section labeled Commerce. Clicking this will transition us into the business side of the platform where we manage our financial operations. This is where the heart of all transaction coordination lives within HubSpot. Once you're inside the commerce section, our next point of interest is the payments tab. Simply click on payments to proceed. This section serves as the doorway to your financial management and scheduled billing processes. Navigating through here will help you explore all available payment tools and settings. You should now see an option to set up payments. When you click on this, HubSpot will guide you through the initial steps to establish your payment processing capabilities. Follow the on-screen instructions as they are tailored to get your payment functionality up and running smoothly. This tool is designed with user-friendly features to make managing customer payments straightforward and efficient. While following along, you might want to review additional FAQs and guides offered on the HubSpot Help Center if you encounter uncertainties or want to explore more advanced payment setup options. There, you'll find a plethora of useful resources aimed at complementing your understanding and maximizing the utility of HubSpot's features. And with that, you're well on your way to having a payment system in place with HubSpot. Whether you're setting this up for a small business, a growing enterprise, or anything in between, having a reliable and streamlined payment process is essential. For any further assistance, extend your exploration through HubSpot's extensive customer support or their comprehensive knowledge base. Thank you for joining me today as we've walked through these steps. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to understand. Stay tuned for more useful tutorials and have a great business day.